A lot has gone on this week. I'll be honest. Monday. Still being up now. It's crazy. It's crazy. A lot's going on, guys. A lot has gone on. You can see. Kicking out outside. So, I think what I will do today, I'll give you guys a proper full-on breakdown on what is actually going on the ground floor. And I'll take you upstairs as well. So, we're having a massive open plan living room and kitchen area. Yeah, the brickwork's been complete. Now we're at the process where we're putting up all the steels. That's what this genie's for. We're putting up all the steels, got the foundation there. Next step, we're gonna be demolishing that toilet. We're gonna have the kitchen area all here. Getting rid of the chimney brass, getting rid of the chimney brass. It's the ceilings. And you step outside. The garden's gonna look very much different. I'll show you upstairs. Hard times. If you want your microwave or kettle, we got that. We got your boots. Waiting for our skip to come. Right now we're just doing the steels upstairs. Bathroom, toilet rather. It's crazy to think our bathtub actually can fit in here. Perfect. Looks really tiny. Still, chimney breast is coming down. To put the steel in, to get rid of the floorboard and the joist. This used to be where we kept on, but because of no roof. The chimney breast is coming down. So yeah, this is where we're at, guys.